Hi everyone, welcome to TPP Learning Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a quick note in a patient record within System 1. Quick note can be used in many different ways, but it allows you to enter a free text comment within the patient record. First of all, retrieve a patient record. Locate the Note button on your toolbar. If this option is not available, please speak to your administrator for configuration. You could, however, type in the word Quick Note at the bottom left-hand side of your screen in the Search Features box to access the functionality as an alternative. Now click on the button and a dialog box will appear. By default, Leave Clinically Relevance Unchanged is selected, but you could select if this note is clinically relevant or make this an admin event. You can then select an optional note type by using the drop-down list. Type in any comment you wish to record below in the main text box. You could also set up a list of presets if you use certain comments on a regular basis by clicking on this Text Presets button. If you wish to backdate this comment, you could use the Dates field at the top to change to the appropriate date. Click OK to finish. This entry will now be visible in the tabbed journal. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you find this video useful. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. For hints and tips, follow us on Twitter at TPP Training Tips.